iPhone 16 will feature under-display Face ID. Under-display Face ID is going to be available in the upcoming iPhone series iPhone 16. With the aim of making the display more effective and safe, Apple is preparing to introduce new technology. Currently, iPhone 14 series is available in the market as Apple's latest flash series. However, various information about the iPhone 15 series of smartphones going to emerge. Meanwhile, the Korean media has released information that the under-display Face ID authentication system will be available in Apple's products coming in 2024. However, under-display cameras are available in currently available series of smartphones. At that time, many may think that the same camera works for Face ID authentication. However, although the camera is an important part of Face ID authentication, some parts of the screen are working for it. It is mentioned that Apple is working on under-display Face ID authentication technology for iPhone 16 series so that the part of the screen used for Face ID authentication can be used for other purposes. However, this feature will not be available in the iPhone 15 series according to the leaked information. The dynamic Iceland features provided in the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will be available in all iPhone 15 series phones.